Hello and welcome to this video where we will import an animated character or an animated sprite. So it's important to note that there are different ways to do this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to import a sprite that's already been created by Scratch, which is that one. Now you should probably already have your own sprites saved in your work area. Sprites are also known as assets, so maybe that'll give you a clue to where they should be, but really you should have your own sprites and they should be able to be animated. So by that we mean there's more than one different kind of image for each one. So say for example if it's a person and they're going to be animated by walking, then maybe you've got a person with their legs in one position and then their legs in another position, so then when you play one after another it kind of looks like their legs are moving. I'll give you a slightly better explanation of that when I actually show you how to do it. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to go to this one, choose sprite from library, but if you've got your own you should be going upload sprite from file. Okay, but I've not, so I'm going to go choose sprite from library, and there's Scratch has got a load of different examples of ones that you can have. I'm going to select animals and I think I'll have that bat, the very first one on the list. So I'll double click on that and then I've got my bat right there. Okay, now what I meant by different animations is if you're on the bat and you go to costumes, you'll notice that there's bat 1A and bat 1B like that. Okay, so wings up and wings down, so when we alternate between them every second or two, then that kind of gives the effect that the bat is actually flying. Okay, now first thing you notice is the bat is rather large and can't actually fit in between these walls. Okay, it goes over the top of it. So first thing I need to do is make sure that I shrink the bat down. So shrink, and if I keep clicking on the bat, then it goes smaller like that. Okay, that's not too bad. So shrink is that one, and enlarge is that one if you go too big, or if you go too small. Sorry. So I've got my bat set quite a nice shape now, so I can put my bat wherever I want my bat to be. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some script to it because I have to make it animated. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say when green flag clicked, I want to make sure it is hidden. But then I also want to make when backdrop switch to level 1, we want to show like that. And then what I want to do is, let's have a look, I also want to make it always be switching costume. Okay, so switch to level 1, show, and then forever, and then I want looks, let's have a look, where is it, switch to costume bat 1B, and then let's see if I can do this right. I will where's weight, control, we should have weight somewhere, wait 1 second, and then I should have, where is it, once again switch to costume bat 1A. Now I'm just kind of anticipating that this isn't going to be the most effective way to it, but we'll give it a go and see. So green flag clicked like that. Again, I keep doing this, but instructions, just proving that it works, go back and then start new game, and then there we go, I've got my bat, and then there you go, you can see flapping wings like that. Okay, that's not too bad actually though, but it doesn't look great. Its wings flap really fast. So let's go off that, and I'll also add another wait 1 second just to there. Now how I'm thinking I could have made it more effective is if I just kind of clicked on next costume like that, and it would just go back to start, but it's not the end of the world. So start new game, and then there we go. I'd say that's a slightly better effect. It looks like it's flying. Okay, so there we go. I now have an animated character. So once again, just to reiterate, you should have your own. You are not getting the ones off Scratch. You should have your own characters in Paint. Well, not necessarily in Paint. If you've made them, then they could be in Paint. Or you might have adapted existing characters, but they need to have more than one costume. So say for example if I wanted a third costume for the bat, then I'd make sure I click on costumes and then add, there we go, I'd either paint a new costume or most likely I'd upload a costume from file like that. Okay, So say for example those wings there, you can see it's just simply up or down. Maybe there could be an in-between one. Or say for example if I wanted the bat to appear to be dead like in a cartoon fashion, I might draw little crosses over the bat's eyes, and that would be another costume there. Okay, so that is adding an animated character. In the next video hopefully we're going to be able to move this character. So thank you very much for watching this one.